talking to myself for the past 10 years. So many times I felt the guilt and saw the tears. Thinking to myself, change after change seemed to wake me up, and then I fell right back down again. Trying to get back to the way it used to be. Now it's cloudy, and do I really still believe? I tell myself it's alright, but is it really? Is the moment passing by? Repenting of myself day by day, handing the control to someone else, giving my freedom away. Trying to get back to the way it used to be. Now it's cloudy, do I really still believe? I tell myself it's alright,